We're going to be using this canned beef from Survival Frog to make some delicious calzones, because who says you can't eat large while living tiny?
This is really good.
The meat comes fully cooked, so all you have to do is heat and serve. You don't have to cook your onions or bell peppers, but I like the extra flavor that it gives them when they're a little grilled. So you can skip this step entirely if you just want to serve them naturally cut up, but I really love the flavor that it gives them when they're a little bit grilled. I'm using the Pillsbury Grand Biscuits. However, if you want to skip this step entirely, you can just buy the pizza crusts that are fully rolled out and ready to use. I didn't add any seasoning to the meat because I wanted to give you guys an honest review on the flavor. The meat only has 2 ingredients, and that's water and salt. And as I mentioned, it comes fully cooked, and all you need to do is heat and serve. I was actually really pleasantly surprised by the flavor of the meat and how delicious it actually was. It has a 25-year shelf life, which is actually amazing for canned beef. And it also comes in ground beef and chicken, so I can't wait to try their other options. Now we're going to add our bell peppers and onions and top it off with tons of mozzarella cheese. And now we're just going to lay the top layer of the crust, and then we're going to crimp the edges just to make sure that there's a tight seal and that nothing leaks out. And I was even able to save some and freeze them for later. Now we just have to bake them at 350 for 15 minutes. Toasty.
This is really good.
Man. This is so good, you guys. Oh my God.
So good.